Zero in on the protection and comfort your Jeep Grand Cherokee deserves with our lavishly designed, custom-fit floor mats and cargo liners. They're made of luxe faux leather, precision cut, and tailored to your vehicle's specifications for a perfect fit, providing the ultimate in protection for your entire floor space. These classy liners with diamond-shaped stitching are lightweight, waterproof, and easy to clean. They are engineered with thick foam padding, providing added comfort to you and your passengers. Plus, our signature anti-skid texture backing will keep them securely in place. Add to your purchase custom diamond-stitched seat covers, together with your custom mats and cargo liners, all available in your choice of vibrant shades for a dynamic combination.